Imagine yourself now, traveling through time. Your mind is neither here nor there. You are drifting, captivated by the ticking of sound, hypnotized by the rhythm of the beat. As it transcends you into a different time and place. You are free. You are on a mission. You board your day, full of conviction. You are energized and ready for anything. Relaxing into that sensation of flowing freely with whatever may come. You are here, and there, now. It is all happening at the same time. And you can continue to imagine this feeling now. That feeling of being free. Of being in control of your destination. That inner knowing that you are headed exactly where you are meant to be.